Is Bitcoin the solution for the debt in United States? $35 trillion. You want to know everything about that? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo, your friend, your host for the most. And you have to consider that in United States, we have a huge debt. Former President Donald Trump is reportedly considering using Bitcoin to address the US national debt, which is over $34 trillion. Crazy that in a recent discussion, Trump required his informant about cryptocurrencies, the one that is leading the campaign for having those donations in crypto. He asked about the possibility of Bitcoin addressing the nation 34 trillion debt. We are close to that number. You can see it right there. So, what this guy said, he said that right now he has not enough information in order to just answer that question. But it's interesting, in any case, that Donald Trump is interested or knowing if Bitcoin can address that crazy situation. And it's not a small thing that these people intend to raise $100 million in Bitcoin in donations for Donald Trump campaign, which is of course so crazy. We told you everything about Donald Trump being the new pro crypto future to be president in the last video. You have to watch it there. Do not miss a single one. And we asked ChatGPT what would happen if this is true. How is it possible for Bitcoin to be actually the solution for debt in United States? And first thing it will tell you is that it's quite difficult because Bitcoin is volatile asset. So that would be a concern out there in the market. Also because you need international cooperation in order to everybody to accept it. We need Bitcoin to be legal tender in United States. We need regulations. We need a long run, but it's not impossible. I asked for an hybrid possibility. Also, I consider why, if we had a gold standard in the past, why can't we have now dollar back in Bitcoin? And it says it's a possibility. Of course, difficulties are that international adoption and also volatility in the price. But it told me that it would be, any case, good for United States economy having blockchain, and this is what Kennedy Jr. said, if blockchain is in everything out there. So we have a transparent government, we know how they are spending the money, and also this will make things more efficient and cheaper to transact. Also, having some bonds linked to cryptocurrencies may be a good idea, as having reserves of cryptocurrencies, of Bitcoin in the government, of course, and maybe even having an exchange that is regulated by the US government. So this hybrid monetary policy might be solution in the future. I even asked for a possible jubilee of the debt, and this might be a solution. The moment they say, okay, let's forget about all this, who's going to pay it? No one. And let's start over with Bitcoin as a standard. We'll see about that, about this. Salvador President Nayib Bukele knows a lot, now meeting with Cathy Wood to discuss Bitcoin. And not just big companies, but also countries like Argentina and some others that might join Bitcoin. And that's why maybe that problem of international adoption might be solved in some years. Salvador adding more and more Bitcoin every day to its balance. And it's quite interesting that we have President Donald Trump asking about Bitcoin. We told you everything about price for Bitcoin on election year, and we are following the path of 2020 as you can see here. But if you want to know more, go to the dedicated video you see here with a zoom in. We are going down as we were at that point in time, but now all the three last election years meant Bitcoin going farther. So maybe we find support in this daily chart with trading view in the point we are right now where some experts believe we are ranging between $67,000 and $70,000. That's a possibility. If we break the 67, then we might go to the 60 something, maybe this line we have with the last low around 63, 300, something like that. We keep on researching. If you like these charts, remember to smash the like button and using the links in the description below. That helps us a lot. So you have this free information every day and you have these crazy charts I share with you all the time. Remember, Memorial Day, we had no stock market on Monday. Tuesday was a mixed day. We went up, down, and then up again. In Asia today, we're going down in the stock market, and we're going to zoom in into Memorial Day because people say that after Memorial Day we go down. We That happened last year. Also, the previous year we went down to, and the last one, but that was crypto winters mostly, not the last one, but the previous two. We were in a crypto winter, kinda. So what happened not in the last years, but in election years, just with the moment of Memorial Day. And you can see that we went up, up, and up. So maybe this is just a recess and we start going up even today. Also, considering pizza days, considering May of those election years, you can see it was a green May on 2020, green May on 2016, and green May on 2012. So maybe now we are up for a green May in 2024, and after that, flat and up, up, or up, as we had in the past. And it's very interesting. Thank you, everybody that shared with me via email or social media your predictions. Soton here telling us that he just saw that we had like one number in 2011, 2012 for pizza day, and then 4 years of three numbers, then 4 years of four numbers, and 5 years of five numbers. So the idea is that next year, 22 May, we're going to be beyond $100,000 for one Bitcoin. You want to know everything about Bitcoin Pizza Day? Go to that dedicated video. It's really interesting, and maybe we have to be patient still. As in the weekly, it seems that we are doing the same as in 2020. So yeah, halving is important, but we still need have some time. We need dollar to go down. It's going up today. That's not a good thing. Also, we need FOMO with Ethereum, and we are going down, even though we explain everything you need to know about the ETF in this video. If you missed it, you need to watch it. And also, it's a good news that finally BlackRock ETF passed grayscale. We knew about this. It's already official. And we knew that maybe Grayscale is going to launch another ETF, different one, with better fees. So that might be interesting for the market. Also, that it's official, those ETPs in United Kingdom, and also that the Japanese public company Metaplanet, we told you about this, they just bought another 250 million yen, sorry. And we told you that since they are buying Bitcoin, they are rising in the stock market. The same for Semler Scientific, which is up 41% after buying 40 million Bitcoin in dollars and adopting Bitcoin as its primary treasury asset. So more and more companies might buy Bitcoin in order to rise their stocks. The market is greedy still, and we have some bad news out there. Like, for example, this one, Mt. Gox moves $9 billion in Bitcoin to new wallet. Remember, we had that fiasco in 2014, and now allegedly some of this money is going to be released to the market. This is something we've been telling you about for a long time. And any case, people say that it's okay because we don't have so many Bitcoin out there, so institutions will buy this. But yeah, maybe we need some more time in order to this to be absorbed in the market. So that's why Bitcoin might be still a little bit flat or going down, and then we're going to go up. This is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever if this is going to happen. I'm not an expert, but some people believe that's the possibility, that's the path. And also, really interesting, bad day for SEC and Gary Gensler. We have a judge saying that they did wrong with the debt box case and they have to pay close to $2 million because of the cost of the trial. So bad one for the SEC, and right now some other processes that are ongoing right now that they are happy because maybe this is a good start for all this to be wrong for the SEC. So maybe we've seen changes in the regulatory ecosystem and also in terms of judge and trials. We'll see about that. And do not miss the last video about Trezor and how you can be safer with it and stake some Ethereum. I gave you a calculator in order to calculate the earnings you might have with Ethereum. And also, I told you all about the promotion we are having right now, where you buy one of those Trezors, any of the three, with this QR. You tell me the number for that invoice with the form. I leave you in the link in the description below. And then you participate in the draw of one Trezor for the last 5 weeks. So right now, just 2 people bought a Trezor and they are participating. So right now, just one of them is going to win. So this week you have a lot of possibilities. If you buy this week a Trezor, there's not many people using this link this week. So yeah, just fill in the form and you might have one for free. Or also, maybe you want to take advantage of the 30% off you have in the Trezor Keep Metal 12 World. So the idea here is that you can use that pen in order to have your words, and then you are safer for fires and water and everything related. Maybe a good opportunity for buying both things. Use the link in the description below and participate in the draw. In the bubbles, we have good days for the dogs, for Shiva, for the dog with the hat, and some others crazy work. And about winning, what about Nexo? We told you everything about it in this video. Watch it if you wanna earn some cryptocurrencies. I'm up 19 euros since I created the video. You can see every day how much Nexo or USDT or whatever you are staking, kinda. Well, you can see the amount of your rewards, of course. And remember that you have the hand for this $12 million worth of Nexo. Also today, I want to bring you the opportunity of following them on Nexo Spanish official community on Telegram. Because it's true, you have X Twitter where you know all the information, but if you want a community, I just join it where you can ask anything you want. Well, you have it there now in Spanish for Nexo. So link in the description below to Nexo Spanish official community on Telegram. Join me, join us there, and join maybe the pool we have for Cardano, because I warned you that we were not validating for a long period of time. It was our time and we validated 3 blocks in a row. So congratulations to people like True or for Ada that came with us and just took advantage of these 3 blocks. If you have some ADA, come with us. Consider that Cardano still fighting for number 10 in some rankings out there. Very interesting cryptocurrency. And we, with the staking of Ethereum, with Trezor, and with the staking of Cardano, we are making some cryptos. We are having our money working for us. Or maybe you don't want, you're just so mad because Bitcoin is not going up, just like this cat. Don't be, market will eventually go up, of course, and keep on learning about artificial intelligence with our channel AI News. We have a new video. It's an awesome one, of course, and we have more videos. Maybe you missed one, then go now and watch it. On CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnido, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!